Alright, welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. It's my second week here after 3 weeks in the sandbox, or 2 weeks in the sandbox, and then one extra week in Phuket. So I've been here a little over 1 week now. I'm enjoying it. I'm loving my time. I'm loving getting to know the locals and the Thai food and Thai culture, and I'm really enjoying my time here. So just an update. I'm on day 3 now. So I should have been able to pick up my laundry yesterday, but it didn't work out. The laundry shop I use, which is directly across from the Areca Lodge, my old hotel, like literally you walk out the main entrance of Areca Lodge, whatever it's called, and the laundry service is right there across the street. First thing was it was a 48-hour turnaround, and I got used to 24 hours in Phuket, unless it was a Sunday when they were closed, then they told me ahead of time. But it was a 48-hour turnaround. Yesterday would have been my second day, so I tried to go pick it up yesterday. First of all, they didn't open until 1 p.m., even though the lady told me that they were open starting at 9 a.m. I started going in the morning. I tried 3 different times since it's only like a 1-minute walk from me. I tried, 2 or 3 times before 1 o'clock and nothing. Then I went back at around 2 something and tried to pick it up, and they told me it wasn't ready yet. She just looked at the receipt and was like, oh, well, it's not 48 hours, so I don't know if it was ready or if they legit were just going by the 48-hour rule, but either way, I think it's a little too long. You guys are pretty great in the comments, the ones that have more experience out here than I do. Is that pretty standard, or is that a long time, because I feel like maybe I just got spoiled in Phuket with that laundry service, that when she said her hours were 9 to 5, like I can go there, she's open, and she'd have my laundry like ready for me in the 24-hour time frame she told me. So maybe I just got spoiled with that. But you guys in the comments, let me know. A quick update, I've gotten some comments and suggestions to do some videos on Soi Pothole and Soi Excite, so I'll get those done this week. I do want to do a video on Walking Street and just show how I'm sure devastated it is right now. And then I'll plan a couple of YouTube lives, and I'm getting a Thai SIM card today too, so I'll be able to actually go live and hopefully get good signal and be able to pull off a live. So anyway, we'll go out and do some stuff about town tonight. Hope it's a cool video for you. Let me know ideas. Let me know what you think about Soi Pothole, Soi Excite, and Walking Street. And if you have any ideas for my live, let me know. Other than that, I'll catch up with you in a bit after I catch up laundry, or after I pick up laundry, and we'll do some stuff out and about town. So hope you enjoy. Alright, so just a quick update. I got my laundry back. Literally after 1 p.m. I had to wait. It was pouring outside too, so I had to wait for that, but they did a great job. My swim trunks, socks. I have masks in this one, t-shirts, everything all folded up nicely. It looks ironed and everything. So they did a really good job. It just takes a while, and it was a little pricey. I paid 305 baht. That's nearly double what I paid in Rawai in Phuket. So if you want a great service and it looks freshly ironed and everything, then cool, so be it. It's good service, but it is a little bit on the pricier side, and it takes a couple of days, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, that's the update on the laundry. All right, what's up everyone? We are in Soi Pothole right now. So it's during the day, it's at early afternoon, 3:30. Lots of construction around here. Lots of construction actually. I'll give you a look around.
Soi Chaiyapoon.
Yeah. All right. Alright, so we're still here on Soi Pothole. Just gonna flip the camera around. There's a lot of massage places. I don't want to intrude on privacy, so I'm gonna be careful. But I'll show you some of the clubs though. Obviously everything is still shut right now. Hopefully that changes soon. So on this side is Maggie Mae's. So I think it's been here like 16 years or something. So it's very popular here. For the Maggie Mae staff, I hope you're able to come back soon. We're rooting for you to come back and open up ASAP. And yeah, the road conditions are something else. So I'll leave it at that. Dive bar. So I think I've passed like a few different massage places that are open. That's pretty much the only life that this street is showing so far. So there's a whiskey lounge. There is some construction going on. Inferno. Looks like they have some construction going on right now. So yeah, this is still all Soi Pothole right here. Kind of show you the streets a little bit if you're wondering about the name. Hello. Some laundry shops. A couple other bars out here. Some massage places again. Give you one more look at it from this direction. So this is Soi Pothole. Got some restaurants down on this side. It looks like the restaurants are actually open, which they're allowed to be, so that's good. So I did see at least 2 or 3 clubs or bars that are under construction right now. So that's promising. There's going to be some work being done over here. But yeah, really, it looks like this is a fun place to check out. I'm really excited to check it out at some point when it's all open and normal again, because I can see myself spending an entire night here. So much to do. And some of my viewers, I love you guys because you're able to tell me a lot more about Thailand than even I know. So what are your favorite places to come and check out here? And then also, if you've heard about any of the newer clubs that are opening up, let me know. Let me know which ones are you excited about checking out. I know there's a couple that I'm excited about checking out. So yeah, that's why it's really cool having a channel like this, because you guys are able to tell me, you know, which restaurants to go to, what places to check out and stuff. So it's been really cool actually. There's a little alley. Looks like there's over there some massage places open. 7-Eleven. Alright, so now you guys probably recognize this street. I've done some walk-arounds on here already, both when I was staying at the Hard Rock, walking back to my hotel, and then also just staying here now. My 2 hotels that I've had are actually both on this road, so you can even see the sign right here. the green sign up there, Eureka Lodge. You make a right there. That's where I was staying, my second hotel. And then also LK Metropole. You can see that. That's down that road as well. So you can see literally how close I was. And I literally had no idea that's Soi Pothole right there. So that's actually really interesting. So now we're on Soi Pothole right here. So just to give you an idea, during the day there's a lot of life here. During the day there's actually a lot of life here. Yeah, it looks like a really fun place. But still the same thing. You know, bars are closed, but you have some restaurants. Like, there's a lot to do. I must have passed by about 15 to 20 different massage places between Soi Pothole and Soi Pothole. So those are literally open and available. So you never have to worry about a shortage of that. But so alright. You know this street, I've done some walk-arounds on here already. So alright, I hope this was a different type of walk-around. I hope you've enjoyed it so far. Just wanted to give you a different walk-around today. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this type of video, like trying new streets and checking out new places and everything. I appreciate it, I really do. Other than that, please like this video. Let me know you've enjoyed it so I can make more like it. Please make sure that notifications are turned on for me. Other than that, thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you. Make today count. It's a great day to go after your dreams, go after your goals, and just make something happen. Thank you so much. Take care.